Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos a un nuevo capítulo. Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to the new chapter of Spanish Language Learning Center, and today we'll be talking about useful Spanish adverbs, adviervos útiles en español. So adverbs are basically the words used to modify or describe verbs, adjectives or other adverbs. An adverb can give information about time, place, manner or number, or answer to certain questions like how long, how often, when or where. Now, Spanish adverbs do not change according to the gender or the number. Okay, that's because adverbs modify verbs, adjectives and adverbs and not nouns. And an adverb usually comes after the verb it modifies. So let's say you want to say you are very tall. Eres muy alto, where muy is an adverb. So in this chapter we'll be talking about adverbs of time and adverbs of place. Let's go with it. So first one, today, hoy, hoy. Now, ahora, ahora. Remember, H is silent in Spanish. Ahora. Tomorrow, mañana, mañana. Yesterday, ayer, ayer. Soon, pronto, pronto. Already, ya, ya. For a long time, por mucho tiempo. Early, temprano, temprano. Late, tarde, tarde. Next we have adverbs of place. Here, aquí, aquí. There, ahí, ahí. Near, cerca. In front, al frente. On top, encima. Under, abajo, abajo. Above, arriba, arriba. Behind, detrás, detrás. Inside, adentro, adentro. Outside, afuera, afuera. Far, lejos, lejos. So friends, that's all we have in today's lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and please donate. We really need your support. The donation link is in the description below. Thanks for watching our video and I'll see you in the next chapter. Adios.